Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your GS Bank's employee account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your GS Bank's employee's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in goldmansachs.com and make a search. The official page of Goldman Sachs account will appear on the screen. Tap on Client Login option at the top right corner of the page. Select your login site from the displayed option. You will end up on the login page of Goldman Sachs Employee's account. Enter your username and password associated with your Goldman Sachs account and tap on Login. In case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in, tick mark on the box that says Remember Me. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Goldman Sachs Employee's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.